my Vera addicts, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vera, that's voice every race accepts. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it so that you don't miss out when I upload new content. So today's video is all about me unboxing the Gourmet Gagetry Waffle Maker alongside another product I received from a fellow YouTuber. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So here I have a package that I received from 𝒦𝑒𝑒𝑒𝑅𝒜, and that is by Modella Slim. If you don't know Modella Slim, then you are missing out. Go and check out Modella Slim on YouTube. She's a fellow YouTuber, absolutely beautiful, and she sent me a product to review. In the box here is also my Gourmet Gagetry Waffle Maker, which I ordered online. It's come in a box, and we're gonna go right ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna go right ahead and open up the box, and as you can see, it's come with a couple of leaflets and magazine. This looks like a kitchenware magazine with a lot of cooking ideas and other gadgets or kitchen utensils that you can purchase from this company. They have some amazing real stuff in here, and I'm gonna go right ahead and look at that at some point later in my pleasure time. In the box was also a coupon. I think it's, if you're a wine drinker, you can get £75 off naked wine. I'm not really a drinker, so I might have to give that away to somebody, but you know, it's cool. It's good to have it. This is basically the invoice that I received about the product, just to say how much the quantity was or what it was exactly, the product description, and for me to know that it's in the box. Also, I'm not sure what this is, but it's probably going to go right in the bin. So without further ado, I've procrastinated long enough. Let's get right into opening this lovely waffle maker. So on first impressions, the box is actually really nice. I selected a red one because my kitchen is already black, red, and white. That is the theme color I have in my kitchen. So this fits right in. I love the retro feel to this. It's a Gourmet Gagetry Waffle Maker. Is a retro diner one, and it also includes recipes and topping ideas. So I cannot wait to open up this box and get my hands on these waffle makers. It looks so sleek, so shiny, and I'm sure I'm going to come up with some amazing recipes of my own in this. I'm interested in the chaffles though, so let's see what we can do about that. So finally she got to the box. Bear with me, guys. So I've gone right ahead and opened up the box. As you can see, this is the instruction manual for the waffle maker. It's actually pretty flat. There's not a lot to it. So this is just to show you what the waffle maker can do, all the functionalities. The next page actually shows you how to make the waffles, like recipes on making waffles. The last page actually shows the product guarantee. So I will need to read on that in detail to ensure that I can actually get guarantee or replacement when this packs up or anything like that. So it's come with two styrofoams on the side to protect it, which I've gone ahead and taken off. I'm now taking it out of the bag. Ooh, it's pretty shiny. I really like this. I can't seem to hold myself steady because I think I'm shaking out of excitement, but it looks really pretty good, guys. I love the fact that it's glossy, it's portable, it's small enough. There you go, guys. It comes with a tab where you can just lift it up and close it off again. And what I love most about this is the nice ceramic plates, and it's a love heart shape. So your waffles are coming out in a love heart shape. I am going to be in love with this waffle maker. And it comes with a UK pin plug if you live in Europe or so. So next up is the package that was sent to me by Modella Slim, and she is the CEO of Miss Beauty Collection. Yes, so in here, ooh, look at these. They're lashes, guys. Beautiful, beautiful lashes. I love the packaging, first impressions. I love the way the glitter is dripping off. I love the bezels as well. As you can see, it's Miss Beauty Collection. Gold bezels all around, surrounding the box. It looks pretty elegant. As you open it up, you see her card in there. And the box is pretty simple, but very effective. I love the blackness of the box. And at the back of the box, you can see the instructions of how to apply your lashes. These look so beautiful. I think the one that I received was Miss Boujee Luxe lashes. These are all part of her collection, and she has a whole bunch of ranges that you can select from. On opening the box to have a look at the lashes, they are pretty cut out lashes, really, really pretty. I like the separation in them. They look soft, the bristles look really nice, and they don't look fake at all. They look pretty much like what I would rock on a night out. When I felt it, they felt really minked. Is that a word? Okay, where it is now, they felt pretty minked and they didn't feel fake to the fingers. I cannot wait to rock these lashes. Thank you so much, Miss Beauty Collection. I will be doing another video of makeup with those lashes. So we're now gonna test the waffle makers and see how they turn out. Right here, I've gone ahead and I've broken 1 egg into a container, seasoned it, and added some spring onions. In another bowl, I've got my mozzarella and cheddar cheese mixed together. It comes in a pack like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this together to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed together. And then I'm gonna pour it into the cheese and mix that up as well and see how we get along with making these chaffles. So once I'm happy with the mixture, I'm gonna go right ahead and spoon that mixture into each plate of the waffle maker so that I can get the right shape. And guys, you have to remember that this is cheese, and cheese, when it's hot, it actually melts. Duh. It melts, and it can obviously, I wouldn't say grow, but it just expands basically. So be sure to ensure that you are putting it just a little bit as you go along. You don't have to fill up the plate because it will fill up itself. So I'm gonna go right ahead, like I said, fill this up, close it up. The waffle maker says to leave it in there for 6 to 8 minutes, but then again, this is cheese and egg. I'm not sure if it's gonna require me to leave it in for that amount of time, but let's see how this goes. Oh, mamma mia, this is ready, looking crunchy and crispy. Look at that, guys. Golden brown chaffles. They look so tasty. I can't wait to tuck into this. As you can see, it's still sizzling. Yeah, still sizzling. It's So this is what I'm going to be having for breakfast today. Healthy and delicious. I went ahead and I sliced up some avocados right next to that, and I thoroughly enjoyed this for my breakfast, guys. If you've never tried this before, please go ahead and try it. You would not regret it. If you're trying to cut out on the carbs and implement more protein, this is the way to go, guys. I really enjoyed this, and I look forward to using more on my waffle maker. The link is down below where I purchased it from, which is Amazon. So go right ahead and do that. It wasn't that expensive. It was something like £16 or so, and I can't wait to continue to use this. So we've come to the end of the video, guys. Like I said, I will be doing more reviews of other products that have been sent to me. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and remain a veradict.
When I look into your eyes, I see a part of me. I wanna have your child and start a family. Boy, you know I'm waiting for you to come over. Wanna give it to you like you've never had before. Tirani temi ni tire, follow me shombo. Temi ni tire, tirani temi, follow me shombo.